Hello there, this is Derek again and welcome to Titbit. So today I'm about to show you guys how you can get some problems solved when you have a tweaked app on your phone and then you keep seeing this kind of notification and you feel like maybe the app is not going to work anymore and you find it a bit difficult for you to just sort things out. So this is a video I'm going to show you step by step how you can just get this done. And you always see this kind of thing because Apple doesn't allow tweaked apps to actually work for long because they are not certified applications they want people to be using. And then sometimes they are from third-party companies which are not having any contract with Apple, so it tends to just work for a while and then they go off. So sometimes you'll be seeing the app telling you to verify again whilst you've already verified it. So these are the steps I want you guys to just go through when you see these kind of things, and then you'll be able to sort it out. So this actually goes to those who have already installed tweaked apps from me upon seeing my free Netflix app and then free Spotify app. So I want you guys to just do this after you watch this video. If your applications are not working, you just do this after you watch this video. So if you're a new person here too, don't forget to subscribe so that you get more information about whatever you have to do with your phone, and then also get some YouTube tips. So what I want you guys to do is you delete the application, right? Because it's not going to work whilst you have it on it again. You delete the application, you reinstall it from the website you installed it, and then you follow the steps, and then it's going to work for you. You do whatever necessary steps you did initially, and everything is going to work for you. So I'm going to go to my phone and then show you step by step how you sort this out when you are done downloading the application again, and then the necessary steps you go through so that you make this thing work very perfectly.
This is what you do. You go back to general, right? Like you did general around here, and then you go down, scroll to profile and device management, right down here, and then you come and then you see the CRRC group. So when you see it, you just click on it, right? You click on it and this is what you're going to see. So when you click on it, you see delete app right here. You're going to see trust here, then you retrust it, right? When you retrust it, everything is going to work perfectly like you downloaded initially. And yeah, you can just open your app and everything will be fine. It will open up again like this, right? So this is what I want to share with you guys, and I hope you guys will follow these steps, and then you'll be able to redo everything you're supposed to do, and then your app is going to work perfectly. So
subscribe for more videos.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Thanks for your time, and then thanks for being there with me, and then catch you in the next one.